Good afternoon, Pottinger's class. Good afternoon. We usually say good morning, but it's afternoon. 5.5, number lines with fractions, decimals, and percents. Can we convert and can we plot number lines and compare numbers with fractions, decimals, and percents?
Yes.
All right. What's another? Okay, you guys ready? Yeah. Let's get through this one quickly. What is another name for a tick mark on a number line?
Interval.
Beautiful. Best mathematical tool in the world is the?
Number line.
And when you change between fractions, decimals, and percents, we are doing, what do we call those things again? Conversions. Okay, really quick. Fraction to decimal, what do you do?
Divide.
Try that again. I need you to be fast. Fraction to decimal, what do you do?
Divide.
Eyes up here, Franny. Decimal to fraction,
We replace value.
percent to decimal, we
Divide by 100.
decimal to percent, we
Multiply by 100.
percent to fraction, we read wait. Percent to fraction, we read the percent as
Per 100.
what does per mean?
Fractional R.
Number 9, fraction to percent. There's 2 steps. The first step is
Divide.
the second step is then
Multiply by 100.
multiply by 100. Okay, here's the deal. We have 4/10, 100 over 200, and 80%. We needed to put them all on this number line, yes?
Yes.
We needed to figure out how to convert them to, what did we need to convert them to in order to put them on this number line? Fractions. So we needed to convert to fractions. Once we did that, it was easy to put on the number line. This problem right here, we had these 4 numbers, 3/5, 7/10, 26%, and 4/12. Woo. In order for us to put them in order from greatest to least, we needed to get them all in the same form. We decided that fractions wasn't the best because once we got them all into fraction form, what did we notice about the denominators? You can't compare denominators that are different, can you? No. So we decided to actually get them all into percent form, just like here. I keep running out of space here. We got them all into percent form, and then we were able to compare them, yes?
Yes.
Last one. You needed to put these 4 numbers on this number line. We decided the number line should start with 4 and end with 5. And because our number line was numbered by decimals, we needed to convert them all into what?
Decimal.
Say again?
Decimal.
We cool with this?